Hello everyone. Magandang araw po sa inyong lahat. Ngayon po ay January 21, 2021. As usual, we are discussing about the Philippine stock market. So, we will check the movement of PCI today. Kung tumaas ba si PCI or bumaba or sideways. So, by the way, this is only disclaimer that this discussion is not, there's no recommendation for buying, there is no recommendation for selling or hold, but this is only for educational purposes. So we are studying about the support and resistance based on the actual price movement of the stock, no? Whether it's going downward, going sideways, or going upward. Shout out to Bonji Texas Macas. Thank you for your support. Very supportive. Uh, and to Sister OFW Dreamers Blog, thank you for your support. So you are very supportive. Thank you. So today, we're gonna check first the PCI. By the way, I shout out also to Christian Earl, Christian Earl Amlog, and to Patricia Shasat. Thank you for your support also. To Francis Amparo, and to John Marching. Thank you very much. And to Maynard Castro and Rapley Bimran. They're very supportive. Ivan Dave Iwakeri and Kindi Mirias and Dave Maipan. Thank you. Thank you for your support. Now let us start the Philippine Stock Exchange Index. We will see the chart now. What is the uh, current level of the PCI? So I will share it to you the chart. Okay. So this is the chart of the Philippine Stock Exchange Index. So today he is down by 0.04, no? Almost flat yung PCI ngayon. But he is trying to go down in the morning, and the lowest price for today is around this 7,000. We see the lowest price here, 7,082. No, 7,112.33. So based on the price movement or level of PCI today, still trades now, nandito na po siya sa may below the exponential moving average is 20. This blow line, this is the EMI 20. So if we check the overall movement, so this area here, this is the resistant area of the PCI. So there are three times this channel, the bottom line, the upper line of the channel ay na-hit ni PCI. But the PCI is going back and going to the below line of the channel. So this is the third time now. If you see here, this is the fourth time rather. The PCI touching on this upper line of the channel. But there is a rejection. And there are two times that this below line of the channel, uh, it is tested. There's a bounce also. I mean, the price going and touching on this bottom line of the channel, there's a bounce. And now he's trying again to go down on this area. So for me, I will wait if the level of PCI will go and touch on this bottom line of the channel. So we will see what happened if this bottom line of the channel will hold or ma-break po ni PCI. So if in case the bottom line of the channel ay ma-break ni PCI, of course, this is the next movement we need to watch for PCI, this level here. So this is the area we need to see if there is a breakout of the bottom line of the channel. Okay, because today this is red, no? Of course, the opening is, the closing price is lower than the opening price. That is why the candle is red. So this red candle today. So for me, my personal point of view for PCI, we need to see this bottom line of the channel ay mag-hold. And if mag-hold siya, then we need to see if the level of PCI will go back up the blue line, no? This AMA20. And if ever mangyayari yan, then there's a possibility that the PCI will go back on this horizontal resistance above. And we need to ask if there's a rejection if in case bumalik yung level ni PCI of this area. But in case the uh, level of PCI will break this bottom line of the channel, of course, it will go down on this location. So we need to watch and monitor the price movement of PCI. Shout out to Ems TV Barbosa. Thank you very much for your support. They are very supportive, no? To Engineer Edwin Bilan, thank you. And to OFW, Drivers Blog, to Sister Bonji Texas Macas, thank you. To Henry 6 Apunitalia also, thank you very much. And Jonathan Oho. Now, let's start with the requests today. We know that today the market ay parang even lang, no? Kasi yung down niya ay 0.04% lang. Pero marami pong mga stock na nag-down, yung mga maliliit na mga companies na tumataas din, no? Nung nakarang araw. So, this stock is very volatile, no? If the stock is very volatile, we need to be careful. So, in case the price will go up and you buy it in the bottom line, then this is the time you need to decide where is your the area na pwede nyo ibenta. No? So, you have a risk management or trailing stop where to sell your shares, no? If you buy it in the bottom line. So don't wait. The price will go higher and higher. No, imagine this is only small cap companies. Anytime the price will go down. So if the price will go down, and take note that this is a very volatile stock. But if it will go down, it will take how many years to come back? This um, price. No? If you buy it in the higher price, then you need to wait how many years if it will come back there. But we don't know also, no? But based on the uh, price movement of these stocks, it will take time, no, to recover. But as I said, in the stock market, we don't know. Maybe there is also catalyst na dumating, then maybe the price will go up again. But our purpose here is to gain, no? To take profit. So this is the only aims that why we are here in the stock market. We need to take profit. So if we have profit, then we need to take it and put it in our pocket. So now, let us start with the EPL. So this is a company ay tumataas din, no? So imagine how many percent this company, Apollo Global Capital. So now, if you see here, last December 14, the price is going up. If you measure it coming from this bottom line here, if you will measure how many percent the, the price going up, it is around 672%. So imagine, no? If you buy it here in the bottom line, the price is going up 672%. Of course, if you buy it in the bottom line, then you have a lot of profit. 672%. But you take profit if you buy it in the bottom area. But if the price is going up, and you see the price is going up and up and up, and then the time, you need to decide to buy. Okay? So, when the time you need to decide to buy, the price will going down. So, we need to take care of buying the stock, especially if it is in overbought condition. So, I will show to you the RSI on that time yesterday. The RSI is around 93.55. So this is very overbought. Okay. So if the price of the company is overbought, there is a possibility anytime the price will go down or retrace, whether it is through price or through uh, time. No? If we talk about through time, of course the price will go sideways. But if we will talk about true price, of course the price will go down. So now, if you see the MACD here, still MACD is above the signal line, and the RSI is still overbought because it is 70.65. Now, if you'll see the price action, you cannot see the support and resistance here. So we'll adjust the chart into lower time frame. No? We will adjust it into 1 hour time frame to check where is the support and the resistance. So as you know, so here this area is the support. This area, okay. The price going sideways in the hourly time frame. So this area is the support. This area is a resistance. Why? Because when the price hitting on this line, the price going down or retrace to this blue line, EMA20. But when the price break this resistance line, the price retracing, and this line is the one holding this price here. So it means this line is the support. So when the price going up, now the price is now below EMA20 in the hourly time frame. So he's trying to recover in the last minute up to the blue line. But take note, still he is below EMA20. If ever there is a rejection tomorrow on this line, we need to watch this line here if mag-hold this line around this area. If ever this line hindi mag-hold, then malayo na tayo. Nandito na tayo sa ilalim. Okay? So we need EPL to bounce on this line tomorrow. Or if we will go up, if there is a retracement, for example, if we will go up and hit this resistant line, this line, and if there is a rejection, we need to watch if the price will stay above this blow line, this AMA20. If ever, tataas si EPL. Okay? So if there is a possibility that the price of EPL will go up tomorrow and hitting this line, then we see if there is a rejection because this is a resistance. The seller is there. So if there is a rejection and the price will going retracement, we need to watch the price will stay above the blow line. But if not, this is the line we need to watch. But if tomorrow there is a rejection, this line, this horizontal line, then this is the time we need to see that this line ay hindi ma-break ni APL. Because kung ma-break ni APL, malayo na tayo sa AME50 at saka AME20. So, this is called now as trend and retracement. If the price will go below AME20 and AME50, but above AME200 and AME100. So this is the hourly time frame because here in the daily time frame, still we cannot see, and we will make sure that the price, where is the location? It is in the support or it is in the resistance area. So that is my thought for EPL. Just lower the time frame to see where is the support and resistance. So thank you, OFW Dreamers Blog and Stevie Barbosa, and to Sister Bonji Texas Macas, and to Coach Barquez and Engineer Ryan Lasaka and Engineer Richard Lorono. Thank you for your support. And to AK Bordado, no? Thank you. To Kate Jason, thank you very much, no? And to Franz Nabua, thank you. Now let's going back and we'll go to the next stock. We have Eagle. So Eagle, this company is cement companies, no? Cement. They are supplying cement. So this is Eagle company. Okay, this is Eagle Cement Corporation. As we know, there is a fundamental analyst or report that the cement factory, there's a possibility that there's a recovery, no, for this year, 2021. But take note, this is only a fundamental analysis. We need to see in the actual technical analysis. This is the chart. This is called as technical analysis. So now, if we see the price movement of Eagle, it will draw a incline resistant here. So this is my personal point of view, but as I said, there's no recommendation here for buying, selling, or holding your stock. This depends on your strategy, but for me, this is the strategy or point of view for in the price movement, no? Based on the price movement. So now, if you see the daily time frame, daily chart, the price today of EPL is up by 3.8%. So the problem now, the issue, some of the newbie or the new traders, when they see the prices going up, they are eager to buy, no? But take note, please check the technical chart. What is the movement, no? Where is the stock? Where is the price now? It is in the support or it is in the resistance area. So now the price is in the resistance area. So for me, still the price now is below the AME 20 and this red line AME 50. Of course, there is a called as trend in adjustment. So for me, if I am the one as a swing trader, I will wait if there is a breakout of this incline resistance. So we call this one resistance because it is three times now the price visited this area, but there is a rejection. Tomorrow, if ever there is a rejection again, of course we need to wait and see here. So we'll draw a support here. We'll try to do the support. Now, if there is a rejection tomorrow, of course, this is our next line we need to see if there is a bounce again. But take note, it will become a bearish pattern if the price will go back on this line. So the possibility the price will hit again this EMI 200, this green line. So we will see that the price of Eagle will stay above on this line and break this incline resistance. So for me, as my own point of view, I will wait if there is a breakout, and after that, if there's a retracement, and the price will stay above all the exponential moving averages, then this is the time I need to watch the next price movement of Eagle. But for now, he is below AME 20 and AME 50. So it is considered as trend in adjustment. So we need to wait if there's a breakout, because if there is no breakout and the price will going down again on the horizontal line, that line there is a possibility that that line will be ma-break down yung line na yan. So if ma-break down yan, of course if you buy it there, maiwanan po kayo diyan sa taas kung hindi niyo ibibenta diyan sa may horizontal line. So this is my point of view for Eagle. I need to wait if there is a breakout of that incline resistance, that line. If ever there is a breakout, I will wait what is the next price movement of Eagle. If there is a retracement, kung mag-retrace yung price, then I need to wait if the price ay mag-hold above all the exponential moving averages. But if not, iwas-iwas muna because there's a possibility the price will going down again. So, if you see here, all the price above the exponential moving averages. So, the price, there's a possibility the price is going up. But when the price is going down, all exponential moving averages, there's a big chance that the price will go down. So that is my thought for this, that I need this line ma break, and if the price will go up and retrace above the exponential moving averages, so this is the time I need to watch the price movement of Eagle. But for now, we need to wait another price movement of Eagle. We will create a bullish pattern. But for now, it was one, no? We need to wait. Thank you again to MSTV, Barbosa, and OFW Dreamers Vlog, to Bonzi Texas Macas, and to Arlen Bruno, no? And Marlin Panya, thank you, and Gary Carbono, thank you very much. And to Eric Rimolano. And to my building trade crew, no? Patricio Santiago and Islam Odin Tuyub Ali, Tariq Abdul Rashid, and Gulpam Jabbar Ivari, no? And to Mr. Raswael, thank you. Now let's go to the third one, which is ABA. So we will talk about ABA Core, no? This is ABA Core Capital Holdings. And you see again, the price is going up 90 degree. Okay. So now I will add another indicator, which is the Bollinger Band. If you see now, the price is going inside the Bollinger Band. So we'll expect there is a retracement because the closing price is now inside the Bollinger Band. So, but we will see the uh, lower time frame. No? So we'll go to 1 hourly time frame. This stock I discussed it last night. So I check it last night. So we'll reduce the chart into hourly time frame. So yesterday the price is in this area. So we put a line here around 1.35. This area here that we will check if there is a bounce today in this area. But suddenly the opening price is below on this line. So when the opening is below on this line, the price going up, and this area now create as a resistance. So there is a rejection. So another option, we need to wait and see on this line. But again, the price is going down. Now the next one we need to see is this line here. This is an hourly time frame. Huh? If there is a bounce here in MA 50, this red line, then it's good. But you need to take care because the resistance is here. So if there is a bounce, then it is going up to this area. You need to see if there is ma-break itong resistant line. Because kung ma-break yan, of course, it will go on this area. But if ever there is a rejection in this line in the hourly time frame, possible direction, he will go back on this line. Now, if he will go back on this line, this is the time we need to watch. Because if the price will go below on this line, malayo na tayo dito na yan sa ilalim. So, we need to see the hourly time frame. If this horizontal resistance ay ma-break ni ABA, if in case there is a bounce in this line or in the AB50, this red line. And then if there's a breakout, possible he will go up in this area. But we need to see the AB20 kung ang price ay umakyat uli sa may above sa AB20. So we need to see, no? Because if there is a rejection in this area, of course, he will go back on this line. If we will go back on this line and this line ay ma-break, then malayo na, as I said. Dito na yan sa ilalim. Below AB 100. So this is my thoughts for ABA. So we need to take care because the price still, the candle today is bearish, no? Now let's go to the other cement company, which is CHP. We will check the price movement of CHP. Thank you for watching, Engineer Ryan Lasaka. No? Engineer Ryan Lasaka. Thank you very much. Now let's go to the next company, which is the cement. This is why we will discussing about the cement, because as I said, there is a fundamental view that the cement factory there's a possibility that there's a recovery for this year, 2021. But we will see the price movement, the actual price movement. So we don't buy suddenly. If we see a news, don't buy and see first what is the price action stealing. Because even there is good news for the cement factories, but the company is losing, of course, the price will go down. So it depends, no? Now here, in the case of CHP, we can draw a support. We will minimize to see the other location here. So now this area here, there is a support area. This see, the price is bouncing on this area, so we can put it here. Okay, so we can put here, and the price is breaking this support, and then it's act as resistance, and also here, and act as support. Now, what we see, we will put another support downward. No, this line here, there is a bounce, and you see there is also a bounce on this area here. So we can draw here a support, put it here, connect the two lines. Okay. Now this is the support and resistance of CHP. If you see it now, this area now, it is in the resistance. The price of CHP is in the resistance area. So it is a red line because when there's a bounce here, the price is rejected on this line. And this horizontal line is the resistance. And another thing, the exponential moving averages also act as a resistance. So for me, if ever there is a breakout of this horizontal resistance and all these moving averages, I will wait on this area here. If ever angat si CHP, I will wait. If ever the price of CSP will go up above all the exponential moving averages and this horizontal resistance, I will wait if there is a pullback going on this direction. Okay, but tomorrow, if in case there is already rejected today, if in case the price will go down, we need to see this area here. Okay, because now there is a support, we can draw incline support in this line on this area. Okay, so we need to watch if there's a bounce here, but take note that the price now is all below exponential moving averages, and there is a possibility that this incline support and a breakdown, and of course he will go down on this location. Okay, so this is the last option. If you watch this support line, this line, kasi ito po yung pinaka ano na support kasi malayo na yan, no? It will go down again, it will go down here, malayo na. So for me, my thoughts for CHP, I need CHP to break this horizontal resistance and then climb above all exponential moving averages. And if there is a pullback, and if the price will hold above all exponential moving averages, this is the time I need to see the next price movement of CHP. But for now, he is below all exponential moving averages. Keep away muna ako, and then I will wait. As I said, if it will go up above all exponential moving averages and this horizontal resistance line. So this is my thought for CSP. So this na, as I said, there is no recommendation for buying here. This is only educational purposes based on the support and resistance. Now, let us go to other one, BEC. So this is another stock going up last few days ago, no? So we need to see again what is the price movement of this company. Shout out to Engineer Eric Lamontad and to Engineer Loreto Corpus and Engineer Mikey Lagitan and Engineer Dieta, no? Now, if you see here, if you buy BEC here, you are lucky because the price is going up. But if you buy here, of course, it's hard, no? Because you lost your money here unless you hold it, no? Actually, that is only a paper loss. But if the price will continue down, we don't know. So if you go down back here, of course, you are in the top. You need to wait when the price will going back above on this line. So that is why if you are a swing trader, position on this area, if you see there is an accumulation on this area, but don't position above on this area. Okay? Because the area guy here, they are sitting pretty here, no? And when the price going up, they sell some of their shares, uh, and then when the price go down, there's a possibility that they will sell all their shares. So what will happen to these people here? People here is very happy on this line. So here, especially as I said, like this stock, very volatile. Don't position if the price is going up. So hayaan mo na yan, no? There's another opportunity when the price is going down. So this is the time we need to watch. But if you have a time, no, to watch in the market, if you are a daily trader, of course you can do. You can adjust it in the lower time frame. For now, we cannot see here this daily time frame, so we'll adjust to hourly time frame again. So he is down today by around 29.59%. So imagine 29.59%. So now here, this is the hourly time frame. No? So in the hourly time frame, malapit na po siya dito sa may AME 50, this red line. But for me, I need to see if there's a bounce on this area here. See, there's a creating a resistance on this area. So we will see if there's a bounce on this area. But if ever there is no bounce, malayo na naman tayo dito. Dito na naman sa ilalim yan. This area. So you need to take care of buying this stock, especially if we will reach on this line, no? Because if you are thinking there's a bounce, and then the price will go down again, so again you will be here in this area. But for me, I will see this hourly time frame, and if there is a bounce here on this area, and if the price go up, I will not buy, I will wait if the price will go up this blue line, this MA20, because there's a possibility that the price will go up above and reaches the MA20, and then the price will pull back again. So always watch this MA20, and the price will stay above all exponential moving averages. But if in case the price ay hindi bumalik sa taas ng exponential moving averages, you can buy here if there's a bounce, but you need to throw it in the near MA20 if there is a rejection. But if there is a breakout of the MA20, you need to watch if what is the next price movement of the company. If we are going sideways, it's good. So we will see the next price movement in this area. But for now, wala pa tayong makita na bullish movement of BEC in the hourly time frame. So we need to watch, for me, I need to watch if there's a bounce here. If there's a bounce, if the price going up to MA20, and if there's a rejection, you can throw and sell your position. But if the price continue above MA20, it's good, and we need to see if there is a pullback going to AMA20 and mag-hold siya diyan, then it's good. And we need to watch if there is a bullish pattern. But for now, iwas muna because there's a possibility that this line ay ma-break ni Basic Energy Corporation. So especially if we will open down tomorrow here in this area, of course, it is very bearish now in the hourly time frame. So just watch this hourly time frame tomorrow. What is the next price movement of BEC? Thank you very much, Sister MSTV Barbosa, no, to Engineer Ryan Lasaka, to Engineer Edwin Bilan, and to Engineer Edwin Vergara, to Engineer Jonel Galbi, and Engineer Jonas Espio, and we have also Engineer Larry Amogis. Thank you. Now let us go to the, I have only remaining three. So now we have ER, no? Uh, we'll take the ER. This is also one of the company going up uh, a few days ago, no? ER, Abra. This is Abra Mining. So we need to see the price movement of ER, because he is down by 29.41% also. So here, the same strategy here in the hourly time frame. We need to watch if there's a bounce in the 50 days red line. Okay? But for now, nasa ilalim na siya ng May 20 sa hourly time frame. So you need to watch if the price will go back above all the exponential moving averages, as I said, and if there is a bullish pattern. But for now, wala pa tayong makitang bullish pattern because the price is going down. So iwas-iwas muna tayo dito, and then we need to watch if there is a bounce and if there is a mag-create po siya ng bullish pattern. Just like this area, no? This area is going sideways. So this is the time we need to watch. If the price going sideways, maybe it's going here in this area. So we don't know also. But for me, I will wait another price movement of ER in the hourly time frame. Because here, even if you go to the 5-minute charts or 3-minute charts, it's up to you. But always bear in mind that we need to see where if there is a bullish pattern. But if there is no bullish pattern, keep away muna and wait another opportunity. So hindi naman tayo racing dito, no? You know the price is going down, and then you will catch the price and buy it. We don't know. Maybe the price will going down, continue going down. So we need to be sure if there is a bullish pattern always. Either in the 5-minute chart or 3-minute charts. Or in the hourly time frame, still there is no bullish pattern. So our monitoring tomorrow if there is a bounce on this day, May 50. But if there is no bounce here, it will take time to recover this price, because see if there is a how many percents going up. So if the price will going down, of course, there's take time to recover going sideways or going down. So we don't know, no? But it will take time. So we need to watch carefully, and we need to always follow our rules in buying the shares. Now the price is going down, so this is not the right time. So we need to wait if there is a bullish pattern. The next one is Hlcm. This company is also a cement company. So we need to see the price movement of Hlcm. So thank you and for the support to Carlo Dampella. Happy birthday to Ronald Ponsalan and Salvi de la Peña and Rosalito Giangan. To Krishna Prasadsia. And to my nephew, Engineer Eliza John Gloria, and Engineer Kenneth ACAS, and Engineer Mitchell ACAS. So thank you now. Thank you for your support. So now let us go to the Hlcm Philippines. It is one of the company also, the cement company. So now we will see we'll go back to the daily time frame. We'll watch the daily time frame here. Okay. Now if you see here, this is the support. and this is the resistance. Support, down, break, resistant, and then become resistant. And then the support break, it become resistant. And then here, the price is breaking the resistance line, the price is going up and rejected in this area. Now, if you see the price, it is below all the exponential moving averages. So the same story, we need to watch if the price will go up above all exponential moving averages, especially this EMA 20. But for me, if there's a rejection in this moving averages, of course, this is the area we need to watch. This incline, this is support, this line. So we need to watch this incline support, come and hold, if we will go sideways on this area. So this is the way, this is the only one we need to monitor. If the price will go back on this incline support, we need to see if there's a bounce. But for safe, para safety, for me, I need the price going up above all the exponential moving averages. But now it is a downtrend because the price is below all the exponential moving averages. So if we see the MACD now is below the zero line. So of course, it is very weak because if the MACD is below the zero line, it is in the uh, it is not in the advancing thrust, but it is in the corrective thrust. So you know the EDX now is above 25. So it's very trending, no? So so we need to see if there is a sideways movement of Hlcm and stay above this exponent this moving averages, and provided that this incline support is still mag-hold. Okay, we need to watch if there is a bounce on this line. And if there's a bounce, we need to see if the price will go above all the exponential moving averages. But for me, the good things we will if the price will stay above all the exponential moving averages, this is a good area we need to watch for forcing because now he is in the bearish pattern now or downtrend because he is below the exponential moving averages. So we need to wait another price confirmation for uh, Holcim Corporation, Holcim Philippines. Thank you for watching, Golden Gary. Thank you very much. Edwin is here, no? He's with beside me. Uh, si Edwin, no? Edwin Bilan, si Engineer Edwin Bilan is with me. Beside in my, we are in roommate, no? Thank you for your support also. Now I have a last one. Was last company. This is Tbgi. So if you see Tbgi uh, is down by 24.24%. So the same price movement in the last few months. The price is going up. Okay, and hitting this. I put the channel now. So this is only my reference. So this is the midline of the channel. And last 21 of December, the price will hit on this upper line of the channel. And the break it here. No? Na-break po ni TBGI last January 15. And then the price is going up. Of course, if you buy here in the bottom line, of course, you have a profit. But if you buy here in the upper line, upper price, then you need to wait when the price is going up again. So for now, the current price of TBGI is below the midline of the channel and below EMA 20, this blue line. So we need to see if there is a bounce on this area, this bottom line of the channel. If there is a bounce, we need to see if there is a uh, bounce up to the midline of the channel. If there is a rejection, you need to, of course, you need to take action, no? Because this is the uh, signal that the momentum is losing. There's a possibility that the price will going down again on the bottom line of the channel. So this is method for TBGI. The price is below MA20. I will wait if there's a bounce of this incline, this line, no, the bottom line of the channel. If there's a bounce, check if there is a rejection in the middle line of the channel. If not, we need to see the upper line of the channel. Because if there is a rejection in the midline of the channel, the tendency the price will going down again. And this is the time the momentum is become weak and lost. But for now, if you see MACD is still above the signal line. But if ever this bottom line of the channel I may break the BGI, now it will go to this area here. So this is not good for the BGI if we will break this bottom line of the channel. So you need to take care of buying these shares now because the um, candle today is very bearish candle. So you need to watch carefully. And if there is no bounce on the uh, incline bottom line of the channel, this is for my opinion only. But it's depend on you, no? If you will stay or it's up to you. But for me, this is my thoughts for the BGI. I will see if there's a bounce at the bottom line of the channel, and if the price going up above all the exponential moving average 20, then this is the time I need to watch in the daily time frame. But for now, it was Mona because there's a possibility the price will drop on this bottom line of the channel. And we don't know also, but for me, we need to advance our analysis, the possible direction of the price. Because we are not, we are thinking where to catch this price. If we will buy and then the price go down, of course, we need to wait where the price is going back. But to make sure, we need to wait in the bottom line of the channel. If there is a pull, if there is a bounce, but if not, this is now become a bearish sentiment for TBGI because the possibility that blue line, the MACD, will cross below the red line. So we need to wait and watch the bottom line of the channel. So I hope you learned something about this discussion. If you have comments, just put your comments in the comments box. And we need to discuss about the stock market. And we are just sharing of ideas. No? There is no uh, competition here. There is no competition in in reviewing the or sharing of ideas. No, the important everybody should be aware. No, what is the stock market all about? What is the support and what is the resistance? It's very important in the stock market because if we talk about support, this is the area where the buyer is waiting. So if we talk about resistance, this is the area where the seller is waiting. So of course, we don't want to buy if the price is in the resistance area. So we need always position in the downside area, the bottom line or the support area. So I hope today you learned something. So that's all for today. Thank you very much and God bless us all always. Once again, thank you to the viewers and to OFW, Dreamers Black, to Bonji Pizza, Smakas, and to MSTV, Barbosa, to OFW Dreamers Black, no? And to Engineer Ryan Lasaka, and to Golden Gary. Thank you very much. God bless us all always.